This is just a quick video. I'm just going to do it on the fly because I need to mention it. This is big. It's so big, I've only just realised this has happened. Hello, welcome to the video, by the way. Feel free to subscribe while I'm faffing about with this. I have been using GoPro for football vlogging for years and years and years, and there's one big reason for it. I have an Action 4. This camera's incredible. This camera's incredible for many reasons, one of which is audio. The audio I get out of the Action 4 is actually incredible. It's incredible for many reasons. It's super clear and the clarity is phenomenal, but it's also super clear when there's lots of external noise happening around me. I'm going to cue in a shot of me simply filming with this at the football with it about a foot in front of me. Is it too early for score predictions? What are we going with?
I'm still doing a lot. I'm down here. 3-0 Southampton.
3-0. It's decent. It's a steak and ale pie. Brentford 3, Southampton 0.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
But that's not why I'm making this video. I've been using these because they've got screen grabs on them, which sounds really, really basic, but for quite a while you've not been able to do that on the app that DJI give you, and I've just been in to check whether or not you still can do it to make a video about why I stick with Go, and I've just found you can do it. So I fear this may be the end. This might be it for us. Gone are the days of eroding battery life, batteries that last 35 minutes. It's so long. Maybe not goodbye, but so long. So yeah, game changer. Obviously I know there's an Action 5 that's out now, but I just want to say to anyone else out there that's thinking of getting an Action 4 or an Action 5, because I'm sure it's as good and it has the same features, these are insane. And the fact that you can now do screen grabs, whether or not it'd be as good, because I've been able to capture some amazing screen grabs with this, because of course you've got the lots of movement going on and you can go in and create a photo out of it. So I'm yet to really throw this around, but there is a screen grab function within the app that DJI offer. I think it's the Mimo app. Yeah, definitely worth a look. There we go, nice short little video. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. Smash a like if it was, subscribe to join this journey, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, see ya.